This is the final video in our 3-part series, and today we're diving into the most advanced and lesser-known techniques to help you reach your full height potential. If you've been following along, you know we're all about unique and effective methods. Let's get started. Step 1. Utilize microfractures. Microfractures involve creating tiny controlled fractures in your bones to stimulate growth and repair. This can be done through activities that exert significant stress on the bones, such as jumping from moderate heights or engaging in intense plyometric exercises. The body repairs these microfractures, potentially leading to slight increases in bone length over time. Always proceed with caution and consult a medical professional before attempting this. Step 2. Practice ankle weights training. Wearing ankle weights during your daily activities can create a mild stretching effect on your lower body. Start with light weights and gradually increase them as your body adapts. Consistent use can lead to incremental growth in the legs over time. Be sure to balance the training with proper rest to avoid injury. Step 3. Perform Cobra stretch routine. The Cobra stretch, a yoga pose, can help elongate your spine and improve posture. Lie face down, place your hands under your shoulders, and push up, arching your back. Hold this position for 30 seconds and repeat it 5 times daily. This stretch targets the spine and can aid in height growth by decompressing spinal discs. Step 4. Engage in water resistance training. Swimming and water aerobics are excellent for stretching and lengthening your body. The buoyancy of water reduces the stress on your joints while allowing for a full range of motion. Incorporate swimming sessions or water resistance exercises into your routine to help your body stretch and grow. Step 5. Use a vertical climber. A vertical climber mimics the motion of climbing a steep hill, providing a full-body workout that stretches and strengthens muscles. Regular use can promote spinal elongation and improve posture, contributing to height gain. Step 6. Practice rhythmic stretching. Rhythmic stretching involves using gentle, repetitive movements to stretch your muscles and joints. This can be done through activities like Tai Chi or Qigong, which focus on fluid movements and controlled breathing. These exercises can improve flexibility and promote overall body elongation. Step 7. Consume velvet bean extract. Velvet bean extract, also known as Mucuna pruriens, contains L-dopa, a precursor to dopamine, which can increase growth hormone levels. Incorporate this supplement into your routine after consulting with a healthcare professional to potentially enhance your growth. Step 8. Perform fascial stretch therapy. Fascial stretch therapy targets the fascia, the connective tissue surrounding muscles and bones. Regular FST sessions can help lengthen the fascia, potentially leading to increased height. Seek a trained FST practitioner or follow guided FST routines online to incorporate this technique into your regimen. Step 9. Peptide use. Peptides such as CJC-1295 and ipamorelin have shown potential in promoting growth hormone release, which can aid in height increase. However, these substances are close to the steroid category and come with significant risks. Their use should only be considered under the strict supervision of a medical professional. It's essential to consult with a doctor before exploring this option, as improper use can lead to severe health complications. I am not a doctor, and I do not recommend these to anyone. I am providing it for informational purposes only.